Okay guys, welcome to our house video. They call me Herman, and welcome to the Herman house.
Okay, y'all, so this is very rough, but so be it. Welcome to our house tour. This is just a brief intro of like the housing process, how the house was built, the building process, all that stuff. Up to now, minus the furniture. So the video, the most recent parts of the video are before we put furniture in the house. It was like the day before we moved in, so you won't see a fridge or anything like that. But yeah, figured we'd get this out. You have any? Yeah, there's no fridge in it. It was before they put the fridge in.
We can't do no MTV Cribs. Look inside the fridge. We got the Gatorade up here. We got the vitamin water. We got the silicone.
Silicone?
Yeah.
Syrup?
Nah, the silicone. I was gonna say
Silicone?
butt shots, but
in the fridge.
yeah, you gotta keep them cold.
Nah.
Because if they get too warm, they go. What is it called? What else do people be having? We got the beef jerky. What else do people be having in their refrigerator, bro? I don't even know, bro.
I don't know either, but yeah, so this is our video. If you're interested, keep watching. If you have any questions about the home buying process, leave them below, and I can like do something else, like another video, or text them to me. For those who have my number, I'll accumulate them and do like a small video on the home buying process and how I bought the house and found the house and all that fun stuff. So yeah, we're losing daylight, which is why the video is getting grainier and grainier. So we're gonna go ahead and say goodbye. Got anything else to say, fam?
No.
All right, if y'all interested in seeing the house, like the building process, stay tuned. I'm a homeowner, guys. Like, I bought a house. I'm buying a house. Like, oh my god. Oh my god, I had this goal for so long, and I can't believe it. Like, I just can't believe it. God is so good. He's so good, and he's faithful, guys. He's faithful. I'm 22 years old. I'm buying my first house. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Okay, so this is where the house is going. Oh, there's a fire hydrant. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know if that's gonna stay there, but oh my god, it's coming up. Ours is one of these down here. It's like this. It's behind this big thing, but I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, just seeing them doing stuff versus a piece of plot that there's nothing there. Like, I don't even think I have any footage of when there was nothing there. I wish I would have taken some footage of nothing being there, because I was so discouraged, because I definitely locked in like that I wanted the house back in April. We are in freaking September, so they poured the something, bruh.
Oh, stupid dumb. They did that job fast.
Wait,
too.
no, did they pour it? That looks like cinder block.
Same, it don't matter.
No, it's not. Okay, yet and still they have this freaking thing in front of our house, more or less.
Let's go.
So we've got piping.
I don't need a tractor for the piping.
You're an idiot, Malachi. Let me see the camera. I just wish our house was like almost done like these guys. Like, that would make me happy, but it's not. So I look a hot mess, and so does he. So
Sirius XM.
It's awfully small, don't it?
That's because the foundation is not all. We've learned that the foundation is not as big as the house is.
So they've got plastic on it.
That's why you should,
Protect it so it can harden, because it's been raining. Alright. So now instead of dirt leading up to the house, we have gravel. That's exciting. which means they are laying the plot for the driveway. And then we have our slabs down. So you see they have all the wood in the back for the framing process. This is so exciting. I just can't believe it.
Oh yes, let's go.
So that's ours. Oh my god, it looks so much bigger with the frame up.
Duh.
It should.
Let's go.
So excited. Okay, so we got a third floor, sort of. Ours is the only one without the thing up there. There. Ours is the only one without the top thing. So we've got windows and shingles on the roof. That is super duper Liddy McTitty, and I'm so excited. Look at her, y'all. So they're laying down the pipe, and I just stole your joke. Haha. We got a front door and stuff in the garage. Lit. So bougie, we got the gold spray paint, and we're riding our verses on the ground. So excited. So I look crazy because my hair is drying, but we're at the house.
Do you want a cookie? Why are you big mad?
Oh, me? Man, because I'm trying to get inside.
We're at the house. We're trying to get inside and listen.
AC,
Just our
it's cold
luck. The
outside,
keys don't
boy.
work.
Take this sweater off.
I can't believe this is happening right now. So
I got all the ice on. I
we're
need to keep it cool.
waiting for the guy to come in and fix it, but we'll see shortly.
Not shortly.
Wow. Look at the cat! Oh. Wow. That's so so pretty. Oh my god. This is so crazy.